1986 Chevrolet IROC Z Camaro. This IROC only has 16,000 original miles, in which are documented by an auto check report, 0 accidents, original paint all around this beautiful car. If you guys have not had a chance to own one of these in high school or back in the day, here's your chance to own one now in this beautiful red finish. Nice original IROC wheels, dual exhaust. It's got the rear black louvers, as you can see in the video here. Nice factory wheels. T-tops as well. Clean red interior throughout. Has won some awards, but this is a definite future collectible. And in a moment here, I'll show you the interior. Beautiful red interior, clean, nice center console, T-tops. Car shows 16,000 miles. I'll get the temp gauge working. Right now it's in-op, but it will be working before the car ships out. Nice dash, no cracks, original factory appearance, power windows. There's your factory radio. Nice door panels, all original. Nice back seat with all seat belts intact. All right, here we are. This is the original motor to the car. It's an LB9 Tune port injection. With 16,000 original miles. We're not going to come across too many of these F-bodies with this low mileage. So if you ever wanted one, this is your opportunity. Financing is available. If you're buying out of state of Illinois, there's no sales tax here in Illinois. Call me. Let's work out shipping to you. I can handle that. All my shipping is insured directly to your doorstep. You can buy any of my cars here with confidence. I take care of all of my vehicles. I just had this one on the exterior detailed, and it feels like a piece of glass on the outside. Look at the reflection. It's just a gorgeous car. T-tops, automatic, 16,000 miles on this 1986 Chevrolet IROC Z28. There's no issues with the car. Buy with confidence. Shipping to your doorstep. Future collectible. Call me, text me, 847-848-1850. Send me your zip code. Let me give you a shipping a quote. If you buy my car, $26,000 delivered anywhere in the country, right to your doorstep. Okay, so we're taking this IROC for a test drive around the area here. This thing drives excellent going down the road, steers great, stops good, does everything it should, like a brand new 86 Chevrolet IROC. Oh, the gears shift excellent. can't believe that I'm driving an 86 IROC with only 16,000 miles, folks. It really is a treat. So give me a call. My number again is 847-848-1850. This is my beautiful 1986 Chevrolet IROC Camaro with 16,000 original miles in very, very good condition. Thank you for watching. Talk to you very soon.